In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and open your dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen, because that's where you'll find the main navigation menu for the tools and features you need. From that sidebar, click on Marketing. This will take you into the marketing section of Gohighlevel, where you can manage different assets and promotional tools. After that page loads, move your attention to the top menu and click on Countdown Timers. This is the area specifically designed for creating and managing timers that you can use in your campaigns, pages, or offers. Once you're on the Countdown Timers page, go to the top right corner and click on the New button. This begins the setup process for a brand new countdown timer. After clicking it, you'll be taken to a template selection screen. Here, you'll need to select a template. Take a moment to look through the available designs and choose the one that best matches the style or purpose of your campaign. When you find the template you want to use, click on it. Then click Continue with this template to move forward into the timer setup. Next, you'll need to select the timer type. This is an important part of the process because it determines how your countdown will behave. Make sure you choose the option that fits the kind of promotion or deadline you're planning to run. After that, set the timer end date. To do this, click on the small calendar icon and choose the correct date for when you want the countdown to expire. This is especially useful for sales, limited time offers, launch events, or registration deadlines, so double check the date to make sure it's accurate. If needed, set the time zone as well. This helps make sure your timer ends at the correct time for your audience or business location. If you're working with clients or customers in a specific region, this setting can make a big difference in keeping your promotion aligned properly. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your countdown timer is now created. As a quick tip, before using the timer in a live campaign, it's always a good idea to review the settings one more time so you can avoid any timing mistakes. A properly configured countdown timer can help create urgency and improve conversions, so taking an extra few seconds here is definitely worth it. And that's how to create a countdown timer in Gohighlevel.